Welcome back to Edgbaston. This game was delayed nearly up to about 2.5 hours in the end because of rain. India, Pakistan just looking to stay unbeaten. So, it is match 10. It's back, call it! Heads of the court's a heavy flick. Dukesy, talk us through it. It's a tail. Pad 11, yes, it's just about understanding, because I hate it as a broadcaster. You're sitting up there and you watch a captain and he doesn't know who's playing and who's not playing. But we're not having Ajmal Shahzad, Ravi Bopara, Samuel Patel and Saj Mahmood. It looked like we were playing an international game, so it was good fun. The changes Pakistan have made, they're just walking out for a national anthem. The changes, the opening slot, they're both big hitters. They like to get on with the job, and the partnership they put... India champion yesterday, Kamran Akmal, also getting runs against India champion, still very, very young, strike rate of almost 138, and great numbers for Kamran Akmal, plenty of experience. Wickets man can do that. He swings the ball up front with the new one. Saw him against South Africa when he runs on the offside. From ball one. You got a boundary on the first ball. Come out of it. Stop thinking what happened in the past. You got to come out and make sure that you do your... good fielding. They've been good. Even the previous matches, they have been really, really excellent in the field. And they're not made notice of where the bulk of the runs were scored. Stuart Nika, 30 deliveries. Line, flying that way to the boundary. No slip in place, will take that boundary. Nika's got good pace. That was in the slot. High and handsome, ease my check, 6 by Sharjeel. 2 gone, 19 without loss. It's the line that you want to start as a left arm. Well, Nikhil, it's all hands. Hardly moves his feet. Just a little shimmy, not much. And then wait. Looking to make some room. Kamran Akmal up and over. That backward point area will take that boundary as well. There's been good bowling around side bottom, has not given anything away, and that's forced Kamran Akmal to try and create something and gets a boundary. Time to go. Oh, this might be very, very close. Might be very, very close. A ball kept a touch low. I'm not sure if it's... Don't lose a wicket. Look at the cap line, yeah. Spot on, Walker, right? And I think you're pitched outside the line of the leg stump. You have to really... In the air, this shot should be taken. Those big buckets, big hands of O'Brien. He wasn't going to drop that. That's the first blood. Pakistan losing Kamran Akmal early. And the strategy. What about this one? Same man, catching another one. Both openers back in the hut. This is really good bowling. And great execution of plans as well for Kamran Akmal and... How good is that? Oh, watch out, watch out. That ball was rolling toward the for Pakistan. Stumps, Malik had no idea where the ball was. That riding. Those nuffs are fairly certain. Test half century, 54 I think. To Schofield. Kevin Peterson, the skipper. He really is enjoying this. He's enjoying the role as captain. Now that is a big hit. Oh dear. Got a long way of the deep mid wicket. And he's my trip. Big 6. And sometimes when you hear the sound of the blade, you just know it's 6. Gone over extra this time. Another free-flowing bat for the Ease My Trip 6. Maksud is mightily dangerous. Just think there's another one. It's a little flatter. Doesn't have the elevation, but it's got the distance. Another Ease My Trip. Maximum. Not learning here, Chris Schofield. You must bowl the ball into the surface. It's all Maksud. Into the game. And Shoaib Malik just caresses one. Just thinking that England bowling options, Wilco. They're missing quite a few options today. Samuel Patel not here. Ravi Bopara's not here. Bowled, well bowled. There's a nice little duel going on here. Maksud and Afzal are trying to read each other. Oh dear. Leg side. No shot played at that. So does he call it dead ball? No, he shot because he saw Maksud charge. Very well bowled him down. Just tried to push it down leg side for a stumping. Up over point for 6. Ease My Trip 6. What a good hit. Maksud is so strong. Another Ease My for his 3rd over. Not the best of starts. Saj Mahmood is on as a sub. We're going to find out who is off at the moment. Shoaib Malik probably spoke to him that let's move. One down the leg, one on the off-sun stage. Everybody plays around, don't they? Play around with their bats, their helmets. They'll be pushing for 2. He's got a good arm, Kevin O'Brien. They have to worry about. England has taken 2 early wickets. Pakistan are 92 for 2. Do you think your team has it in them to win today's match? I know so. For a fact they're going to do it. We've had a very good start. We had a team talk and I think it's going to go very well for us. So fingers crossed. Favourites. Who are your favourites today and who are your favourites generally? I think I have to say everybody from our team. They're all so good. Even from the other teams, UV, Fish, Rena. Careful and make sure you put in the best foot forward, but he's not doing it. Best foot forward is from Shoaib Malik, chopping it away for 4. 17 off the over, 108 for 2. Darren Maddy. That is big. And brings up his 50 in style and Ease My Trip 6. What a performance, what a player, 5 sixes. Wow. Slow, does he get enough of it? He does, gets it past Alistair Brown. The boundary to start his last over in his spell. It's never a good feeling when you get hit for 4 on your new over, first delivery. That'll be the 100 partnership between Maksud and Malik, brought up in style, a poor delivery. 103 this partnership from 65. We've actually only had 4 balls in this over with all the wides and there's 13 conceded from it. Well, right at the last minute just picks up with a bit of a flurry and a quick 6 and he backs one to the outside. Back of the lens delivery. Because anything short, but if you give him all the time in the world, you just find the gaps on the onside, and he picks up a boundary. Yeah, that's a poor ball. Again, it's pace on from Meeker. It's not going through been able to pull back the Pakistani champion. That was Barkley's shot. Long off, long on in place. Just will have to go and get the ball back. That was really, really firmly shot. And another ball. The slow ball picked by Abdul-Razak and deep into the stands for another Ease My Trip 6. Bit of exercise from Mawazin, the umpire. This is... 19s on the over. Oh, Ali Brown, I'll tell you what, he's been patrolling that deep square. Malik's 121 got stability in Evan Peterson. Maybe due a few runs. This is a sort of stage where he'll be hopeful that he can lead his team to a win. I wouldn't say must win, but he said at the top that we need to win today. There's still plenty of games left in the competition. They're looking up. There is a little bit of dark clouds around. We're hoping that the rain just keeps away. And the umpire... There's a little bit of rain around, and on the radar there is a few showers, but the good news is we've got plenty of time. 2 hours before we lose a single ball. So we know that at least if there is a little bit of rain, we've got plenty of time to just sit around a little bit and then get the pitch dry and get on with it. Both teams have got an off day tomorrow, so they'll be able to recharge their batteries. One game tomorrow in Korea, strike rate of 136. He'll be taking the first delivery, and Phil Mustard, 192 matches. That's the slow one again. They've gone up. They think they've got their man. The umpire doesn't. Well, one person thinks he's got their man. And that's the bowler. Nothing from keeper, nothing from Cameron Atmore, nothing from first slip. Just a big appeal from the bowler. Mustard goes after it. That is a fine hit. It's 6. He's not tall. He's not like Dominic York, who swung it and got a bit of bounce. Because Dominic's about 6, what are you, 6'2"? 6'2", Alan? Here we are. Now, I reckon Peterson will do a lot of this. He'll go after Amr Yamin because he's skiddy, and he'll come onto his bat. Yeah, he's a big, tall batter, Kevin Peterson. What he did throughout his career, what he still does now, he likes to get on top of the bounce. You can see... Works him leg side, out! Bobby Kumar has taken a good catch, low on his shoelaces, but that is a big scalp to remove Kevin Peterson. He's done, and as he will always do. It's been squalls of rain, but that's a Ian Bell. Look, that's the slow ball, that's the one. But it's been thrashed. So you could see what he was trying to do was set up the delivery for the slow ball, but it didn't work this time. Yeah, and Shoaib Malik really couldn't do a lot about this. He was an extra cover. There it is out of that back of the hand, and you just have to wait and wait and wait. Slapped. Amr Yamin. Mustard goes after him. It's bread and butter for Mustard. Steel ball. Oh dear, that's gentle. Very gentle. I'd be surprised if Wahab Riaz completes his spell here. But he's got tape on it or a strapping on it, you can see it there. He's struggling. Hit the stumps! Gone! That's a direct hit! Yasser Arafat with the throw. I reckon that's gone. How good is that? There are 3 men in the 30-yard circle on the offside and found the gap with great amount of ease, Kevin O'Brien. That misfield will help. We'll take that boundary as well. Phil Mustard decided really early to go with the spin. And not so hard for Phil Mustard. The first ball, he clears it with ease. A massive ease my trip 6. By no means that delivery was in that hitting zone. Picks the length and also picks the man at deep mid-wicket. What a catch! Yasir Arafat, it was always dying on him. He had to go forward, never easy out in the deep. Maybe the third umpire will have a closer look, but really well judged catch. The outside edge and Kevin O'Brien, well, not quite where he intended, but will take that boundary of the very first delivery. Inside out. How well that Kevin O'Brien just opens up the offside as well. What the angle. Really well on that occasion against Shoaib Malik. It was good to see that he playing ball. Was looking to just work it on the onside, maybe for the one and keep strike, but beaten in flight by Shoaib Malik. He does that time and time again. Just died on him and let's have a closer look. Leg buys signaled by the umpire. In the air, deep square leg and takes it. There's more of his hitting zones always shot, but takes the man out. The boundaries also. See that there's no real pace and he's going to struggle, although that wasn't the greatest of the shots, but he'll fetch boundary. They don't mind as long as the boundaries keep coming. Back on my credit cards. A couple of your credit cards? How many credit cards does one man need? Yeah, Johnny Brown! Call the date! Couple of more yards to clear that boundary. Shoaib having a wonderful time. And of course, my wife is also having... Lovely bit of bowling from Ajmal and a nice bit of glove work from Cameron Akbar. Had the bails off in a flash. And the square leg umpire isn't even going to bother sending it upstairs. He sends Maddie back to the hutch. Maddie, straight away after getting up life. Could be out, could be out, could be out. He's given out. Umpire didn't take long before raising his finger. It was a straightforward decision. Yeah, easy for Moazim, the umpire. I'm afraid his offside was all at sea. But England celebrated long into the night, and has he taken the ball? Knocks it over, finishes the job. Sohail Khan is a very